So after a week of cleaning and organizing, I've got my studio all rearranged and ready to go. So here's a quick tour of the Whimsical Workshop Sewing Studio. These are all of my knickknacks. This is Chuck, my hamburger puppet. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw we were making those with puppet pie. I like to collect all kinds of knickknacks. There's a cactus pincushion, all kinds of stuff. But you'll see this is one big room, and I was able to, with no closets, so we have lots of drawers and storage. This is all, this side with all the Star Wars posters is Matthew's side of the studio. Yes, it's not normally that neat. It is today. Brought out some of my books for reference. I have lots more in another room that it's just easier to get them in here. There's my tuffet that I made last year. I have sewing cabinets, sewing huge windows that I can get all kinds of light in here during the day. And then I've got my TV to entertain me. And there's my ironing board setup. I love the fact that I have cabinets underneath my ironing board, so no space is wasted. It's all storage. One of the things I did this week was go through all the drawers and clean them up. Here's my buttons all organized. Pearl cotton, embroidery hoops, all kinds of stuff. There's my T-fall iron I love. And then some artwork that I collect. We like to go to different shows and find these fun prints. And then over here on this shelf I've got ironing board stuff and all my origami stuff. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll sometimes see some origami. There's a piece up there. And then I've got these shelves. Let's back up so you can see these. And these are really for all the projects that come in right before market. So we have lots and lots of collections come in. Each one is assigned a quilt. And usually I have trouble. I just have to throw it all on the shelf, kind of like you see up on the top. And then this week I found these cool bins at Target that I can use to actually organize each project. So each of those bins is holding a project that I need to get put together. And then we have some brights that I just like to hang on to. I don't have very much of a stash. Here's my whole AccuQuilt Go collection of dies. My bags, there's my Mad Hatter hat. And then you'll see the cutting board is this, well, I have a cabinet holding my rulers. But you can see here the cutting board just floats in the middle of the space, so I can use all of the sides. If I need to use the very end, this is just a ruler rack. It's very easy to move, so I could even utilize the back end if I want to. And then I got my lovely little daisy boards. And then there's the out. So, and then over here in these little cabinets, lots of fun surprises. Lots of fabrics. I love working with pre-cuts. So, oh, this is a good one. Let's show you what's in here. This is a cosmetic container. And it's full of charm packs, little 2.5-inch squares. I keep them all organized. Again, I don't keep much of a stash because we're always working with the most current fabric, and my stash ends up not getting used. So there it is, the Whimsical Workshop Sewing Studio, nice and neat. Figured I'd video it before I turn it into a mess. Stay tuned and see all kinds of things that we create in this space.